Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So firstly, let me show you the way to check those unique numbers using the secret code, and then I'll show you the second option, which will require using the settings. So let's tap on the dialer firstly and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So here we actually cannot check the serial number. So let's move into the second way to check the IMEI, and there we will be able to also check the serial number. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now let's enter about phone. And here let's tap on the status. It should be on the second position. As you can see here, we've got the IMEI information, and after tapping on it we are able to check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and after getting back you can see that the serial number is also listed right here. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.